you are not aware of these 7 things, then you can't become a data scientist. And honestly, most beginners ignore these basics and then struggle later. To help you out, I'll share what all a data science enthusiast should know. So hello everyone, myself Hazel, and in today's video, we are going to talk about data science, and also I will discuss the best data science course in Lucknow. Before we begin, I want to let you know that our team has done a proper research based on student reviews, placement records, corporate tie-ups, and feedback across multiple platforms. So if you are serious about learning, I have added a course link in the description. Don't forget to check it out. Now let's first understand what data science actually is in a bit more detail. Data science is a process of collecting, cleaning, and analyzing large amounts of data to extract meaningful insights that help businesses make better decisions. It combines multiple fields like statistics, programming, and machine learning to identify patterns and predict future outcomes. For example, companies like e-commerce platforms use data science to recommend products, banks use it to detect fraud, and companies use it to understand customer behavior. To become a data scientist, you need to learn essential tools like Python for programming, SQL for handling databases, Excel for basic analysis, and visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau to present your insights in a clear and impactful way. Talking about demand, data science is one of the fastest growing career fields today, with companies across industries actively hiring skilled professionals. In terms of salary, beginners in India can earn around Rs 4 to 8 LPA, and with experience, this can go up to Rs 15 to 25 LPA or even higher depending on your skills. The good thing is, you don't necessarily need a coding background to start. Anyone with logical thinking, problem-solving ability, and consistency can learn it. However, building strong real-world projects like dashboards, predictive models, and case studies is extremely important because that's what recruiters actually look for. Lastly, choosing the right institute plays a crucial role, as proper mentorship, hands-on training, and placement support can make a huge difference in your learning, which is why I have added one of the best courses link in the description. So now I hope you clear all about what data science is and whether it is right career choice for you or not. And if you are serious about building a career in data science, make sure to check out the course link in the description. Bye bye, happy learning.